All right, this is Jill Vassallo from Technique Peak. Today we're going to be going over the Lachman's test to test for ACL tears. So what you want to do, you want to bring the knee in about 30 degrees of flexion. Try and keep the hamstrings on slack there, nice and relaxed. You also want to bring the leg out to the side a little bit. With your top hand, your left hand, you want to be grabbing the femur. And with the bottom hand, your right hand, you want to take up the slack from the gastroc, get a nice skin lock there, and then you just want to kind of pull in this kind of direction. And it should feel like a nice taut band. If you don't feel that taut band, that taut end range, then there might be some ACL pathology.